In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put a header on only one page in Google Docs. Whether you're working on a report, an essay, or any document that requires a uniquely formatted first page, being able to customize your headers can be incredibly useful. So let's get started on how you can achieve this in Google Docs. First, go ahead and open your Google Docs document. Once you're in, take a look at the top of your screen. There, you'll find the menu bar with several options. You'll want to focus on the one labeled Insert. It's located towards the left of your menu. Click on it and a drop-down list will appear with various options you can add to your document. Next, from this list, select Page Elements. When you do this, another drop-down menu will show up. Here, you'll want to look for and click on Header. Once you click Header, you'll notice a header box appears at the top of your first page where you can start typing your desired text. Now at this point, you might notice that the header automatically applies to all the pages in your document, which isn't what we're aiming for. We only want it to appear on the first page. Google Docs has a handy feature for this scenario, so let's utilize it. While still in the header, you'll see an option labeled Different First Page appear. This option allows you to set a unique header on just the first page while leaving the rest of your document unchanged. Click on Different First Page, and instantly you'll see that the header you've created remains on the first page, while a separate, editable header remains on the second and any subsequent pages. Now navigate to your second page or any other page where the secondary header box appears, place your cursor in that box, and simply delete any unwanted text. Doing this ensures your header now features only on the first page, giving you the clean, professional look you needed. And there you have it. Just a few clicks and a couple of adjustments, and you've successfully placed a header on only one page of your Google Docs document. It's a simple yet effective way to meet your document's formatting needs. If you found this guide helpful, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.